Hello, I'm Alessandro Lorefice. I'm going to show you how to attach the SolarEdge Optimizer to our mounting systems. We also offer our StairPlate adapter. The optimizers can be fitted with this and simply hooked into the mounting rail. This means that the optimizers can be moved freely. In principle, you can attach the optimizer to any channel designed for the MK2. Here, you can see a few examples of how and where the optimizer can be mounted. With our Dome V flat roof systems, you can mount directly onto the rail using the porter shim. With the Dome Classic systems, you can mount directly into the basic rail with the MK2. That's it from me. Give us a call or write to us if you have any questions.